The concept of a computer can be distilled into a simple, yet powerful notion. It is an electronic machine capable of receiving input, processing data, storing information, and generating output. At its essence, a computer is designed to execute tasks with unparalleled speed and accuracy, automatically performing a series of programmed instructions, which makes it extraordinarily valuable in many facets of modern life. In practical terms, a computer offers a wide array of functionalities. Users can type documents, browse the internet, watch videos, make presentations, write code, and engage in recreational activities like gaming. These capabilities render the computer an indispensable tool for both personal and professional applications. The fundamental architecture of a computer is comprised of several key components. Input devices, such as a keyboard and mouse, facilitate user interaction by allowing data entry and command selection. The CPU, often referred to as the brain of the computer, executes instructions and processes data at remarkable speeds. Output devices, including monitors and printers, display or reproduce the results of the computer's processing efforts. Storage devices, such as hard disks, solid-state drives, SSD, or pen drives, retain data for both immediate and future use. The significance of computer literacy in contemporary society cannot be overstated. Computers are omnipresent, playing crucial roles in schools, banks, offices, and homes alike. Acquiring computer skills not only assists individuals in their educational endeavors, but also enhances their employability and provides avenues for career advancement. Embarking on a digital journey necessitates a foundational understanding of computers, and the resources to support this learning are abundant. NextGen IT Learning provides accessible tutorials for individuals eager to explore the digital world, offering step-by-step guidance on using computers, mastering MS Office, navigating the internet, and engaging in coding. Aspiring learners are encouraged to like, share, and subscribe to harness the full potential of these digital tutorials, thereby cultivating the skill set essential for success in the modern era. The pathway to computer proficiency begins here, laying the groundwork for a future where technology and human creativity unite to unlock new possibilities.